Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share with you about my mother. My mother's name is Amina Begum. She is 45 years old and she is a housewife. She is the most important person in my life. My mother is the most precious gift of Allah for me. My mother is the person who has the most effect of my life. She is my first teacher, guide, and my best friend. She always teaches me about practicing Islam, good manners, and good habits, also moral value. She understands me and helps me to solve all my problems. My mother is my pride. She is my greatest motivation because she always encourages me. I tell all my secret to her. I am always surprised how she manages everything perfectly. My mother is an inspiration to me. She is very hardworking, dedicated, and kind to everyone. I love my mother and I always pray for the health and long life of my mother. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share.